All right. This is Blazilla 2011. Snowzilla. It's
Snowzilla.
It's Snowzilla.
Or it might be Snowgate. It might not even
It
snow
might
at
be
all.
no blizzard at all, right? But there's supposed to be a blizzard of 2011, and I'm filming
And we are
us enjoying the.
celebrating by making
Oh
comfort.
my god!
Gumbo.
We put a big fire in. We stacked a bunch of wood by the back door. Riley's gone to the bathroom for the next 2 days, so we don't have to worry about that. And here is the new addition to the family.
Well,
The first-
temporarily.
The first video of the little puppy that we call Panda.
Cheyenne, Panda, Bear, now Panda again.
All right, so I suppose I'll film outside here. Can you say hi, Kara?
Jake, stop!
Is she smiling?
No. All right, I'll film outside. Here we go.
There, I swear to God.
But I'm not going outside.
Okay, Blueberry.
I don't know if you could see that, but it's blowing pretty good out there.
It should be me.
They said, they being the weathermen, said we could get up to 2 feet of snow.
No, 36
hurts.
inches actually.
36 inches? Are you crazy? Who said that?
Oh, I hope so.
What?
I heard that on this one show we were watching. Oh, and the way we were watching, listening to that one thing.
Here with my nail off.
Okay, I'm gonna go film out here and maybe get a better view. Okay, watch this crazy nut. Okay, you ready? Ready? Here we go. You ready to go get the snow? Get the snow.
And it started at 2:20 today.
Okay, she's tagging a wheelbarrow.
Oh, my finger hurts.
It's, I don't know if the camera captures it, but it's pretty snowy out
Well,
there.
it's blowing. It's kind of blizzardy. It's going out like in a circle, actually. Look at it. It's like. Well, look at the snow pile. Look at the furniture now. And then we'll
Yeah,
look
we'll
at the
film it
furniture
later.
in a little
We
bit.
cleared all that off, so that's just come down now. And we got some wood for
Yes,
the
it's
fire.
this morning. You
And
emptied
my
all of it.
beehive.
Oh, the bees. They're tied down.
Look at the wind is breaking the fence is breaking the wind on them. It's coming right out of the east. So that's a good thing. Anyways, I will leave you with this picture, and we'll be back in a few hours.
I know that's so hard to do.
You want to go outside? Huh? You want to go out? Yeah? Okay, ready? Ooh. There's something out there. What's out there? Ready? Ready? Get. Oh my gosh. Where'd she go?
This poor puppy. Look at her. She's like, you're gonna make me do this
You gotta
again?
go outside?
You're gonna make
Look
me
at.
do this. I have to get her on a leash so I don't lose her. Oh jeez, she's not waiting for me, huh? Okay. She's like, please. Oh, oh jeez. Oh, come here, puppy. That's too deep over there. Oh, she's standing up peeing.
Is she?
Yeah, good girl.
I can't film her.
Good girl. Here. Come over this way. Come here, this way. Come on. This way. I know you got a poop. Look at this. It's not so bad where I put this tarp up.
Yeah.
Good idea I had. Look. This is a little crazy. Look, we can still see our driveway. A little bit. But then comes the drifts. Crazy. Look at that. Oh my gosh. I'm going to go show you the front door. Oh my gosh. Okay, Kevin got the snowblower. Look, I can't even stand. I'm like up past my knees. Look at this. Oh my gosh, I can't walk. Oh, wow. Crazy. Look at all the birdies enjoying the food we put out. Oh, it's a little foggy. Wow. Put up that blue barrier so I could take the dogs out to the bathroom behind there. It worked out great. Get it, Riley. Come on. Show me what you're doing before. Well, not the peeing part. What you doing? Playing by the bird feeders? You like that wind, huh? Look at you. You're a mess. There you go. What you doing? Riley? What? Come here! Enjoying yourself? And look who's all snuggled up. Aw, she loves it. Let's see how Kevin's doing over here. Oh, he's making progress. Let's go. Come here, Riley. Come here. Well, Kevin's doing the best he can to try to get this snow off the driveway, but look at this. It is just a whirlwind. It's coming right at us. Just a little struggling there. Poor guy. Talk about peeing into the wind. Okay, we'll get the next burst here. Here we go. crazy. Well, I'm glad I shoveled up by the sidewalk. 'Cause it needs to be done again. Oh my gosh, look at how high that is. The snow's not even coming out. Perplexed. I stopped it. He's done. Here he goes again. Oop. A lot of focus. What's up? Oh, it's just the snow, I think. Nuts. Absolute insanity. As I'm standing over a heat register. He's freezing his face off. Oh, I just came in. The Dietzes are across the street.